Hi there, students. With malice aforethought. Okay, this means that you do a criminal act, but with malice aforethought. Before you did it, you thought about it, aforethought. And malice, the wish to harm or upset other people. Okay, so if a criminal act is with malice aforethought, it was deliberately planned to cause harm to somebody. Murder is the killing of someone with malice aforethought. Yeah, this is not an accidental killing or a killing on killing on the spur of the moment because something happened and you got into an argument. But malice aforethought, premeditated. Okay, so notice this word, aforethought. This, I guess, is an adjective, yeah, and it's describing the malice, the bad intentions that were thought of before the act was committed. This malice aforethought is a legal phrase. There's even, let's see, a crime novel called Malice Aforethought, and I think there's a TV series or maybe a film as well with the name Malice Aforethought. Yeah, these are going to be some sort of murder mysteries. I've never read either of them. Okay, so with malice aforethought, this is a legal term. Yeah, you might be able to use it as a joke or as some sort of find some sort of way to incorporate it in your essays, but it's a formal legal term. Okay, and then we've got malice. Okay, malice, wanting to hurt or damage other people, and then aforethought, thought about before. Yeah. You ate the last piece of that pie with malice aforethought. Yeah, you wanted to do it just so that I couldn't eat it. Yeah, things went terribly wrong, but without malice aforethought. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. Yeah, no malice aforethought, but we still end up in hell. Okay, notice that as well, I was thinking this word aforethought. You could have an afterthought, where you think of something else afterwards, but this is afore with the idea of before. So it's very bad to do things with malice aforethought, yeah? Yeah, you should be a good person and not go out to do something planning to hurt other people. Okay, malice aforethought. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, with or without malice aforethought.